Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rob, and today's video we are unboxing my new ring light. This box is really huge. As you can see, this ring light was actually more pricier than my last one. So my last one I got for Christmas from Walmart, probably like, I think it was like $29.99, and it broke a couple weeks ago. So to actually show you what I mean by it being broke, this is my ring light that I have currently. So it broke right here at the bottom, so like for it to sit and screw, it broke off. So I wanted to get me another one. And so I had got one that my cousin recommended, and it came off Amazon, and it was for $100. Let's see, I should have brought a knife over here. Ooh. And they would put the ring light inside of another box. This is the ring light brand that I got. Neewer, however you pronounce it. There is a slight odor from the packaging. As you can see, this ring light is huge compared to my old one. So this is my old one, this is the new one. Very big in size. So I'm going to pull the rest of the things that came out of this bag. So what's included in this bag, this for your phone, charger with a power cord, this little thingy, instructions, and then it comes with a button so you can take your picture. Bluetooth little thing. And then it also comes with two different colors. I guess reflectors is what you could call them. And then we have another box where this is probably the tripod. Now you guys, I am going to put up the ring light. I finally put the clear screen above the ring light. Now I'm going to hook it up to the tripod like so. So now that I have it attached to the tripod, I am going to take this part of the extension cord and just plug it in here like that. Then you take this part and this part, plug it in like this. And then now I'm going to plug it in the wall. I have it plugged up, and now we're going to turn it on. So this bad boy gets bright. Oh my God. This is my face without any light on, just the natural light from the window that is in front of me. So I'm going to turn the ring light on, and then you can see how bright the light is. And then this is it all the way up. As you can see, the light is bright. And then I'm going to turn it back down. So you guys, this is the ring light. Now if you would like to set your phone up or the camera, you take this little piece here and you just going to slide it onto the ring light like this. So you guys, I have my camera attached to the ring light, and I'm going to turn the ring light on again. So this is like low setting that I first turn it on, and then this is high. You can see the glare from my glasses, but this light is bright. Like, I'm going to have to get used to this compared to my old ring light. And now I am going to take the clear covers off, put the orange one on just so you guys can see the color that it gives off. I'm tired too. I'm back from putting the orange cover on the ring light, and I'm going to turn it on. This is it with low light. This is it with highlight. Take my glasses off so you can see. So you guys, comment down below which light you guys like. I'm thinking about going with the clear cover just because I like that one more. So I'm going to drop the link below in the description just in case if you guys want to check out this ring light. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to follow me on all my social media. And your girl is out. Peace.